Hey everyone, today let's go ahead and quickly unbox the Vivo U20 and see what it is that you get inside of the box. As you can see over here, we have the 6GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. The phone also comes in the 4GB RAM and 64GB variant as well, but we have the higher ones. Let's just go ahead and see what you get inside the box. So when you take off the top, you have this little paper case of sorts, which has your TPU case and a number of paperwork. So you have the quick start guide, the IMEI number, etc. So you have that inside the box. Let's just go ahead and put that off to the side. It's really nice to see that a lot of manufacturers are starting to bundle the TPU case now within the box, along with a bunch of other important accessories. So let's see what else Vivo has in store for us. And we have over here the phone itself. So this is the Vivo U20. It's a pretty nice looking phone, gorgeous, with a dual tone finish on the back. It's got a triple camera setup. It's got a fingerprint sensor over here, and then let's see if it can turn on right now. And it does. Oh, it does not have any battery, but that's all right. So we're gonna leave this over here. Additionally, you get a 18-watt fast charger in the box, which is pretty awesome because fast charging is quickly starting to become the standard across most devices. Even if it's a slower form, it may not be the 50-watt, 60-watt, 30-watt, but this is 18, and it's still faster than what the 10-watt charging used to be like. Also included is a micro USB cable. The Vivo U series continues to use micro USB as the platform for charging all the devices, so we still get a micro USB cable, and that's included in the box. So overall, this is a pretty standard package for the U series. Unlike the V or the Z series, we don't get earphones that are bundled in the box, but that's all right. What you do have is a pretty decent looking phone with a screen protector pre-applied, so that's pretty great because what people would want to get first when they buy a phone is a screen protector and of course a nice case for their device so that it doesn't break, because everything is now made of glass. So Vivo is providing you with a nice screen guard already pre-applied, which is pretty nice, and then you also get a TPU case in the box, which is again pretty awesome because you don't have to spend an additional amount of money getting one. So this is essentially all of the stuff that you get inside the box of the Vivo U20. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video and it's been helpful to you in terms of figuring out whether this is a phone that you would want to spend your money on or not. Thank you guys for watching.